Prime Minister of the Republic of Mauritius, the Honorable Praveen Kumar Jugannath ji, senior ministers and dignitaries of Mauritius, distinguished guests, Namaskar, Bonjour. My warm greetings to all of you. First of all, I congratulate the government and people of Mauritius for effective management of the COVID-19 global pandemic. I am happy that India was able to support this effort through timely supplies of medicines and sharing of experience. Friends, today we celebrate yet another landmark in the special friendship between India and Mauritius. The new Supreme Court building in Port Louis is a symbol of our cooperation and our shared values. Both India and Mauritius respect our independent judiciaries as important pillar of our democratic systems. This impressive new building, with its modern design and construction, is a mark of this respect. I am happy that this project has been completed on schedule and within the initial estimated costs. Prime Minister Jagannath ji, only a few months back, we have jointly inaugurated the landmark metro project and a new state-of-the-art hospital. I am happy to know that both these projects are proving useful for the people of Mauritius. Friends, it was in Mauritius that I had first spoken about India's vision of Sagar, security and growth for all in the region. This is because Mauritius is at the heart of India's approach to the Indian Ocean region. And today, I want to add that Mauritius is also at the heart of India's approach to development partnerships. Friends, Mahatma Gandhi had rightly said, and I quote, "I do want to think in terms of the whole world. My patriotism includes the good of mankind in general. Therefore, my service of India includes the service of humanity." Unquote. This is India's guiding philosophy. India wants to develop and India wants to help others in their own development needs. Friends, India's approach to development is mainly human-centric. We want to work for the welfare of humanity. History has taught us that in the name of development partnerships, nations were forced into dependence partnerships. It gave rise to colonial and imperial rule. It gave rise to global power blocks, and humanity suffered. Friends, India is making development partnerships that are marked by respect, diversity, care for the future, sustainable development. Friends, for India, the most fundamental principle in development cooperation is respecting our partners.